Good day, everyone. My name is Randolph Bangis, and we are talking about the depreciation method using declining balance. So, this one is the most strategic accelerated depreciation techniques used in engineering economics. So, let's get started. So, what is the declining balance depreciation? Declining balance is an accelerated depreciation method, unlike the straight line method, which spreads cost evenly, and this approach front-loads the depreciation. The asset loses more value in the earlier years and less as time goes on. This matches reality for many types of equipment, machines, electronics, and technology that perform best when new. So here's the idea and the formula. The logic is simple. We apply a constant depreciation rate to a decreasing book value every year. So as we calculated the rate, 1 divided by useful life times multiplier. So a common example is double declining balance, where the multiplier is 2. Then the formula becomes annually depreciation is equal to book value times rate. Notice something important. We don't subtract salvage value at the beginning, and it only becomes relevant near the end of the asset's life. When to use it? This method is ideal for assets that wear out faster early on. If a machine is most efficient when new and gradually loses performance, declining balance reflects that reality. It's also used when companies want quicker cost recovery or early tax advantages. In short, when an asset's value drops fast, this method gets the numbers right. So, so here's the sample problem. We have an asset that costs 100,000 and its useful life is 5 years. And we use the double declining balance method. So first compute the rate. 2 times 1 over 5 is equal to 40%. So we need the depreciation for year 1 and year 2. So here's the solution. Year 1 is 100,000 times 40% is equal to 40,000 depreciation. And for year 2, we update the book value 100,000 minus 40,000 is equal to 60,000. Then apply the same rate, 60,000 times 40% is equal to 24,000 depreciation. This pattern continues each year. Depreciation decreases along with the book value, and this gives us a realistic and financially strategic view of asset behavior: high early depreciation, lower later depreciation. It mirrors real-world performance decline and provides a stronger cost recovery early in the asset's life. This pattern continues each year. Method. And that concludes the declining balance method. It's fast, flexible, and effective, especially for assets that lose value quickly. Thank you for watching. And that